I mean, you guys can see the catacomb. It looks pretty clean. I mean, from what I'm looking at, it looked pretty clean. I mean, it seemed pretty clean. This is the old one. And I was expecting maybe it to be like really, really dirty and dark and brown and, you know, dirt filled and stuff like that. But this is the color of the new one. It's kind of yellowish. You know, this is the color of the old one. I guess it's kind of, you know, darkish. I guess it's kind of darkish. You can't really tell from here, but from what I'm looking at, I mean, is it dirty? You know, looking at it, I wouldn't say it's dirty. I wouldn't say it's clogged up, but obviously you have this much. The catalyst, I guess, the catalyst is like is this much, and I can only see the surface of it from this portion. Now I have like a Bank 2. You know, the second cat, which is the one after this. I mean, that's the problem that I've had. Been trying to take that coat off and wasn't able to take the coat off, doing a whole lot of things. I've done a bunch of videos on it, but I don't know whether it's the new one or the old one. I'm not 100% sure on it, but I'm gonna change it up anyway because I already got it out. Gonna change it up, guys. All right.